Baby, I've been dreaming that the graves weren't there, just fields of flowers and messages of love. Baby, I've been dreaming of a sun-blessed court, where I can sink banalities on basketballs until the day is done and step outside once more, just to go to the shop and get a cold can of pop. Baby, I've been dreaming of an orange number 45 who sways me gently through the night and takes me home. Baby, I've been dreaming of daps hanging down from chairs and accidentally knocking ankles with a friend. Now what becomes of you, who has found out they didn't need to break back over office block grey books that you can stick around at home and call your nan up on the phone and wear your best clothes that nobody sees, walk your dog home and notice the trees, grow your hair long down this past your knees. Baby, I've been dreaming of a new joy in being close enough to count the freckles on a cheek or see the mouth of a stranger. Springtime showed me newly buzz-cut boys who learned to love the shape of their heads. Springtime showed me giants of kindness who didn't get to go home. Springtime showed me giants of excess who took it all home, but perhaps it's not that black and white, we're all just trying to survive. There is a lamp called empathy that lights up this whole street, and baby, I've been dreaming that the light stays on. Baby, I've been dreaming